हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 7th इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक हनी कॉम्ब का लेसन 9 जिसका नाम है अ बाईसाइकिल इन गुड रिपेयर। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको 8th पोयम मीडो सरप्राइजेस करवाई थी। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। Once a friend of author proposed to him to go on a long bicycle ride, to which the narrator agreed. Next morning, the man arrived late and started explaining the narrator's bicycle. He holds it by the front wheel and the fork and shakes it vigorously. The author tries to stop him from doing this, but he, pretending to be an expert, says that the front wheel warps and needs repairing as it is quite dangerous to drive like this. He asked for a hammer. When the narrator returned from the tool shed with the hammer, he found the man holding the front wheel between his legs and the rest of the machine was lying on the path. He tells the author that the bearing seems to be wrong. The author tries to stop him there. The friend doesn't listen to him and opens the wheel, and there roll out it of a dozen of little boats. He cries and asks the author to catch them, as the loss of any of them will make a serious difference to the machine. Both of them took about half an hour just to find those balls, and so finally kept all those balls in his hat at the doorstep to keep them safely. His friend then started tackling the bicycle's chain, and then he returned his attention towards the gearbox. As soon as he opened the box, he lost all the screws. He collected some from the ground and then gave up looking for the rest. Then the narrator and the men started refixing the front wheel, and with great difficulty they put the wheel back into its place. Suddenly, the friend realized that he had forgotten to put the balls which are rolling in the middle of the path. The author sarcastically said that he likes his friend's unbelievable and mysterious self confidence. When they put all of it back, the bicycle began to wobble even more than it had wobbled before. A rough fight took place between the friend and the bicycle when he sat to refix the gear case. One moment the cycle was on the ground and the friend was top of it, and the next moment it was the other way round. Finally, at 1:45, he is bleeding and untidy. अब करते हैं हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन 1, आई गॉट अप अर्ली फॉर मी। इट इम्प्लाइज दैट फर्स्ट he was an early riser, second he was a late riser, third he got up late that morning. इसका आंसर है थर्ड, he was a late riser. Question 2, the bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little sleepy after lunch. The remark is mark your choice. First, humorous, second, inaccurate, third, sarcastic, fourth, enjoyable, fifth, meaningless. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, ह्यूमरस। क्वेश्चन 3, फाइंड 2 or 3 sentences in the text which express the author's disapproval of it. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, don't do that, you will hurt it. Second, it doesn't if you won't wobble it. Third, don't you trouble about it anymore, you will make yourself tired. Question 4, If not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? इसका आंसर है it refers to ball bearings working with the text. Question 1. Did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. इसका आंसर है the front wheel wobble occasionally, but it didn't require any attention. The bicycle was in good condition and the author was pleased with it. Question 2. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? इसका आंसर है when the author returned from the tool shed, his friend has taken out the front wheel of the bicycle. His friend was sitting on the ground with the wheel between his legs. He was playing with the wheel while the other part of the bicycle was lying on the gravel path beside him. Question 3. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. इसका आंसर है nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, but it is an impossible task to fix it back. The author's friend took out the gear case easily, but he was having a nightmare in putting it back to its place. Question 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? इसका आंसर है author's friend tightened it to an extent that it didn't move at all. He then loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Question 5. The friend has two qualities. He knows what he is doing and is obvious sure it is good. Find the two phrases in the text which mean the same. इसका आंसर है first, cherry confidence, second, inexplicable hopefulness. अभी हमारे आगे की एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन हैं, आप चाहें तो इन्हें कर सकते हैं. अब हम करते हैं इसके MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. व्हाट साइड डिड द ऑथर्स फ्रेंड प्रपोज? ऑप्शन ए हॉर्स, ऑप्शन बी कार, ऑप्शन सी बाइसाइकिल, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी बाइसाइकिल. क्वेश्चन 2. व्हाट डिड द मैन से अबाउट द फ्रंट व्हील? ऑप्शन ए इट वॉबल्स, ऑप्शन बी इट हैज़ नो एयर, ऑप्शन सी इट इज़ टॉर्न, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए इट वॉबल्स. Question 3. What is the meaning of degenerated into? Option A were produced to, option B were reduced, option C both A and B, option D none of these. इसका आंसर है option B were reduced. Question 4. The remnant of machine was lying on the dash. Option A road, option B gravel path, option C sand, option D both A and B. इसका आंसर है option B gravel path. Question 5. What does dangerous? Option A the wobbling of the back wheel, option B the wobbling of the front wheel, option C the wobbling of the side wheel, option D the wobbling of the motor wheel. इसका आंसर है option B the wobbling of the front wheel. Question 6. Who is the author of this lesson? Option A. Leo Tolstoy. Option B. Jarmo K. Jarmo. Option C. Monday Robin. Option D. John Keats. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी जेरोमे के जेरोमे. Question 7. What is the meaning of topsy-turvy? Option A. Upside down. Option B. Downside. Option C. Backside. Option D. None of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A. Upside down. Question 8. What did the man ask for? Option A. Bell bearing. Option B. An air pump. Option C. A hammer. Option D. None of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. A hammer. Question 9. What is the meaning of remnant? Option A. Full part. Option B. Half part. Option C. Remaining part. Option D. None of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. Remaining part. Question 10. What is the meaning of wobble? Option A. Move unsteadily from side to side. Option B. Turning around. Option C. Twindling. Option D. None of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A. Move unsteadily from side to side. Question 11. What is the meaning of see to the chain? Option A. Check or examine the body. Option B. Check and find the fault. Option C. Check or examine the chain. Option D. None of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. Check or examine the chain. Question 12. What is the meaning of groveled? Option A. Crawled on the ground. Option B. Crawled on the sea. Option C. Moved on the ground. Option D. Both A and B. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A. Crawled on the ground. Question 13. The friend started playing with. Option A. The handle. Option B. The front wheel. Option C. The back wheel. Option D. The seat cover. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B. The front wheel. Question 14. The bicycle would be on the dash path. Option A. Dropped. Option B. Wobble. Option C. Plain. Option D. Gravel. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन D. Gravel. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको करवाऊँगी 9th पोएम गार्डन स्नेक. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.